Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here organizing my bullet journals. I decided to take on the very daunting task of organizing my office. So I started with my closet, which is the absolute most disorganized mess it has been in a while. So I decided that was a good starting spot, mostly because what I wanted to do from there is to put some shelving into the office closet and be able to store some stuff in there a little bit more effectively. So I am putting all of my bullet journals away because I found a boatload of Archer and Olive boxes. So I decided, hey, why not? I'm going to go ahead and use the Archive Vinyl stickers from my shop. The Archive Vinyl stickers are a little bit smaller than this. They are sized for a ½ inch tall versus these that are more like 0.75. So if you do want to size them up a little bit, just message me. I'm happy to do so. But I thought that it would be a lot of fun to just have a very uniform look for all of my bullet journals. So that's what I'm doing here, and I'm going to let some music play for the rest of this because hopefully this is a very relaxing little video here, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.